Hello friends, welcome to Lifestyle and Creations in association with BMW Motorrad OSL Kolkata. Today I would like to introduce the most exclusive and newly launched product of BMW Motorrad, which is BS6 variant BMW G310R, the most hot selling cake product of BMW Motorrad. So this is the bike which you can use for your daily commuting. It's a luxury commuting bike for day-to-day purpose. You can take it to anywhere. You can take it to long rides. This has got a 313cc liquid cooled single cylinder 4-stroke engine. This has now so many changes compared to BS4 edition. BS6 variant comes with a new color paint scheme. Now this limestone metallic color comes with the red alloy. As you can see, red trellis frame. This has got the new red trellis frame which was not there in the BS4 variant. Now this engine part is also coming in a black color which was earlier not there in the BS4 variant. In BS4 it was in a silver finish. Now it's also in a black finish. There are some other changes which is a major change for the BS6 variant. Now this BS6 G310R comes with BMW LED. This is the BMW LED. You can see the BMW LED logo here. Apart from this BMW LED, now the bike is coming with LED indicators as per the BMW Motorrad standard. BMW Motorrad has not compromised anything on the parts or any features. Now the bike is coming up with adjustable brake levers, adjustable clutch levers, and some new technical features like ride-by-wire, slipper clutch, and the new customized ECU is there in the bike. Now let's talk about the engine configuration. This engine part, as you can see, it's double overhead camshaft engine. Now this is 313cc which produces the power output of 34 PS and 28 Nm torque, which is good enough for the day-to-day commuting. And on a regular purpose you can take it to office, you can take it to anywhere, as I said, right? There are other things like the soft seat which you might not get in the competitor brands. The tires, this Michelin tires is basically imported tires. Upside down golden fork which gives you a better stability, better handling. You also get a dual channel ABS, the dual channel ABS system by BMW Motorrad, which gives you more safety in terms of riding. It also comes standard features on a meter console. In this meter console you can see the gear shift indicators, you can see the speedometer, right? The tachometer in a digital format, trip meter, the engine temperature you can see here, fuel gauge in electronic format. As you can see, the ABS is blinking, right? This indicates this bike has got a ABS. Now once you start riding, this light will go off. So guys, let me fire up the engine for you so that you can check out the sounds and how the riding posture is, right? Which is the most of the people wants to check. As you can see, with the new customized ECU, even the bike is now more tuned up, more, on a softer side. The sound is absolutely changed, right? Even the bike has got a new power response because of the ride-by-wire, which you can only feel after the test drive. For more details, please do subscribe Lifestyle and Creations channel. Do comment your queries. We will answer all your queries. Hit the bell icon and take a test drive. Thank you.